We've got from Premium Auto Service, e-car. We've got Yugan. Hello, Yugan. How are you, brother?
Hi, guys.
You right?
Very good, very good.
You look chilled, bruh.
Getting used to this, huh?
Getting used to this.
Becoming a pro, I see.
It helps to keep calm just before you come here, ne?
Who's giving you my secret?
Good to have you in the studio again, my man.
Thanks, guys.
All right, so let's get started with it. So we just want to know a couple of things. What are some of the types of services or repairs that the motorist should actually have done just to make sure that their cars are quite reliable?
Okay, so some of the services that motorists require doing on their vehicle in order to keep them in good condition is the routine services, your minor and major services that the manufacturer stipulates. You'll find that information in the handbook in the glove compartment of the vehicle. The one big one is a cam belt replacement. So there are certain vehicles that have cam belts, and those items are normally replaced between 90,000 and 150,000 kilometers. But again, that information is in your handbook. If you read that information, you'll find in the handbook itself, it'll tell you when. That is a very important component. Should that fail, that's the end of your engine. Kaput.
Namfundo, the glove compartment is the thing you call the cabin hold.
Oh, okay, whatever. I guess actually reading the handbook is very useful.
Very, very useful.
You know, people are not, we're not used to reading manuals of anything, even the cars.
That's why when
can I just stress the importance of that?
Yes, that's why when customers actually come into our shop and ask us, where do we find information about the tire pressure, or if it's a new owner of a vehicle, what type of fuel goes in the vehicle? You know, we then like to play the game of being like superheroes, because we know all the answers, and then eventually we give them the secret. It's all in the handbook, in the glove compartment.
I actually didn't know where to get, you know when water is just coming out of the car to wipe your windscreen? I didn't know where to get that. I had to go to the garage. And then they told me just press here. What will come out. Alright, without talking down on any brand, let us know which brands are most likely to actually have a breakdown.
Look, most of the popular vehicles like VWs, Audis, Nissans, Toyotas have cam belts. So they're not likely to break down. It's should the motorist not service the vehicle on time and not change that item on time, that cam belt itself, that's when they will experience serious problems. Because once that breaks, as I mentioned earlier, that's the end of the engine, kind of. Okay. So, the other thing as well is that there are certain services that needs to be done between 100,000 kilometers and 150,000 kilometers in terms of looking after the antifreeze in your car and the brake fluid. So if that's not looked after in any car, you're going to have problems in any car.
So is there sometimes a moment or a time where your car fails you, even if it's not within service time, it's not due for service as yet, but it just breaks or something doesn't work? And how do you tell that this one requires emergency assistance or service?
That happens from time to time, and that's where when we talk about repairs. So that's unplanned events. So sometimes you have a component that's faulty. Sometimes you have wear and tear components like your brakes. If it's not checked frequently on every service, they're just going to give up, and you wouldn't know. So your service is a time when you should be doing all of these inspections, and that would give you an idea as to what's wearing in the vehicle or what items are about to break, and that should be an indication of what you need to fix. So you can prevent those unplanned breakages. But sometimes things just happen, and when it happens, look, we're here to support our clients. And we offer towing service as well through the AA. So they give us a call, we'll tow the vehicle in, and we have the vehicle assessed and obviously repaired thereafter based on their budget.
So you can just tell us what type of services do you do and who are some of your clients?
Look, we offer all the types of services that dealerships offer to clients at a much more affordable rate. We're also very personal in terms of how we treat our clients. So clients are not treated like numbers at a dealership. You know, with us, it's a personal approach, and we get to know them and they become part of our family. In terms of the types of clients that we service APSA fleet clients, Equestra fleet clients, Avis fleet clients, any clients that have aftermarket warranties such as the AA warranty or Innovation Group warranties. So those are popular clients going through our shop. And then the everyday person, like you and I, who drive a vehicle that requires servicing from time to time.
You just call me an everyday person. Wow. Anyways, this is the mobile number 082-416-5178. You can simply WhatsApp on the very same number 082-416-5178. And don't forget, you can catch them, or rather, they are located at 1415 Cruisani Road, North Coast Road, near the Bluff Meat Supply. Yep.
Okay. Thank you very much again. You enjoy the rest of your day now.
Thank you, everybody.
Leave now before traffic really kicks in.
It's raining out there.
All right, let's find out what's happening.